Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge for diffusion, and today I would like to show you how you can change the wood apps on this Motorola device. You need to start by accessing Play Store and installing your new defaults. I have my Opera Mini browser ready, so I can click on Home button and go into Devices Settings right away. Now click on Apps section under Connected Devices. Then you need to scroll down and choose Default Apps. Now click on one of those sections. For example, I want to change my browser, so I have to click on Browser app and tap on Opera Mini in order to see the app. After that, click on the Back button, and as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!